We're going to cover the O2J Shiftbox mounting into a Mk1 in this little video. You're going to see what you're going to get here in your package from us. It's a plate with some hardware. The plate is mounted on top of the car from the inside with the original Mk1 mounting points. We need to trim the bolts or remove the bolts from the bottom of the shift box. Otherwise, those are going to hit your floor pan. Install the shift box from the bottom up with the two Allen bolts that we provided in their washers. Then route your cables under the car between the steering rack and the body. Try to keep it clear of any exhaust you may have hanging there. Here we're going to trim the shift console so that it still fits around our shift box and you can install a factory boot. I usually install I weld a extension onto the shift rod itself, or you can cut your old Mk1 shift rod off and weld that to the top of it, and then you're able to install a threaded shift knob like you see here.